of the National Innovation Council to deliver a short address to our attendees today. Let's give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you once again to Samsung for inviting me for the third year to be part of the panel of judges. Next year, siguro pwede na ako mag-retire, no? I'm actually representing the National Innovation Council, which is the highest innovation policy body of the government. This is chaired by the President. Although I'm also wearing the hat of the Analytics and Artificial Intelligence Association of the Philippines as the Vice President. Our President is not yet, is still on her way to here. And also officially I'm representing the UP System Information Technology Foundation. All these 3 years I've actually seen how the bright ideas, amazing ideas, fantastic ideas from our high school students. And with all these things that I've actually seen the last 3 years, I believe that the future of the Philippines is very, very bright. Okay? We just need to actually provide them the opportunity for their ideas to really bubble up, make them into, help them, support them in making these ideas really solution that will solve the problems of our society in the coming years. And I really hope, and I am also very happy to note that we still have high school students who are very much focused on STEM, that's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Mas magagaling pa nga sila kaysa sa amin. We just need to actually give them the support. And if there's one thing I'd like to ask from our mentors, please help them. The future teams who will be joining the competition, really help them define the problem very, very well. Because most of the teams were so focused and so in love with their solution that when they were presenting it and we were asking them questions, they could hardly really define what the problem is. We've seen that, and hopefully we can actually address that gap in the future competition, Solve for Tomorrow competition. So once again, thank you very much for this opportunity. I've really enjoyed the 3 years that I actually I've been judging this event, and more power to everyone, especially to Samsung.